what's up, trading kingdom? So I'm gonna show you my today's profit. They are still running, but I'm thinking that I should just cancel them, maybe close. And so first order was a eurusd. I put the trade on here. Let me show you. It's a sell trade, and here you can see. Let me just so I put a trade on here about approximately 5-6 days ago. It's a swing trade, so it's about now 232 pips in profit, and take profit level is that, which is about 335 pips and $167 profit. And another trade I put on gold. Let me show you on the trading view. Gold. Okay, so here's the deal. Stop loss is about 181 pips, and the take profit is 900 pips. It's a 5.1 risk reward ratio. Okay, 5.2, you can say 1.9 it says. And here's the trade. $460 in profit. I put about a 0.05 lot. It's a really micro lot, I guess, a mini lot, whatever you say. 3 of them, but the AUD USD are going on a minus, but who cares, we are still in the money, man. $427 profit, which is the account balance is $1,002, man. So I put the AUD USD trade here for buy. I thought that it was going to be a double bottoms, so when the double bottoms would hit, so I will be place the down trade here. So it will the M pattern right now, but it is going not on my favor, it is going against my favor. So it is about 280 pips loss. If it would be the profit, so it's about the 123 pips profit. So yeah, that's it for today. Here you can see I'm gonna close 2 of them, eurusd or AUD USD, but not the gold. No, I'm gonna close the gold right now, because it is, you can say, it's bouncing here, and the resistance area right below it, the green line is the resistance area. So yeah, and the doji appear here, engulfing candlestick appear. So I don't think so we gonna make it up. So I'm gonna trade the gold right now. I'm gonna close the gold trade, and euro USD, I'm not sure about it. Okay, so okay, let me just confirm it, and I will close it otherwise. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment sections. So yeah, that's it for today. Peace.